Well, as the state enforces a stay-at-home order, many Coloradans are forced to work from home. But police officers, firefighters, and medical professionals are doing the opposite, putting themselves on the front lines to continue to keep us safe. CBS 4's Dylan Thomas joins us live in Weld County. And Dylan, the Boys and Girls Club is going to open its doors for daycare, but only for certain parents.
Kathy, the Larimer and Weld County Boys and Girls Clubs will be open for free daycare for any child between the ages of 5 and 13, so long as their parent is a medical professional or a first responder like a police officer, a paramedic, or even a firefighter. Now, this was all made possible by Banner Health, who not only thought of the idea and proposed it, but then also offered to pay for the services provided to their staff members' children.
So we've identified a huge need right now.
As most of Colorado has come to a screeching stop, first responders and medical professionals are pressing on to care for our communities. But with schools closed.
As it relates to COVID-19, we know that there are young people who are the kids of healthcare professionals and first responders who might not have a place to go.
Thanks to Banner Health and the Weld and Larimer County Health Departments, the Boys and Girls Clubs will offer free child care for children 5 to 13, so long as their parent is either a first responder or medical professional.
From a nurse to a doctor to custodial staff, we just want to help by making sure that these people who need to be on the front lines or their kids have the care that they need, so that these people can get to work and not have to worry about a safe place for their kids to go.
Kids will be given access to computers and Wi-Fi for schooling.
They can do that right at the club, and our staff can help facilitate those lessons.
And following CDC and state guidelines.
That we're going to be operating in clusters of 10 or less. We're going to be doing hourly hand washing. We're going to make sure this is as safe as it possibly can be. And it really is just one more example of how our communities are stepping forward and reaching out to young people.
While Banner Health is the one who thought of this idea and proposed it and is even paying for those of their staff members who are participating, this is open to any first responder or medical professional in either Weld or Larimer counties. All they ask is that you give them notice in advance and help properly register for them. More information on how you could do that is listed on cbsdenver.com. Live in Weld County, Dylan Thomas covering Colorado First.